How does it work and what do you get when you get certified? Offering the breathable hair growing hair topper for your clients. First, it comes in 4 simple sizes. A 5-inch front to back by 3.5-inch side to side to fill in part of your client's hair on the top of your choice. The second size is a 5-inch front to back by 5 side to side to fill in another part of the top of the area of your choice. The third size is a 7.5 by 4.5. This size will fill in all of the top area, and the hair from the top area will also feed a little into the sides and back to make that a little fuller. And the fourth size is an 8-inch front to back by 8-inch side to side to fill in the entire top area, plus it also fills in the sides and the back. Hair length, any hair length from 1 inch to 20 inch. And because of single hair distribution onto the microstrand, you can blend in any longer hair length into a shorter hair length. The shorter hairs will completely disappear, again, because of single hair distribution. Next, let's talk about hair textures. Any hair texture imaginable. And because it's human hair, you can perm the hair or blow dry it straight, and when you wet it, it'll pop back to its original texture that you ordered it from. Next, let's talk about hair colors. Any hair color, from black hair to platinum hair, and any percentages of gray, and anywhere in between. And because it's human hair, you can actually color the hair or change the color if you want. Within this training course, you're going to get 2 different size diamond openings. Remember, the microstrand has diamond openings in different millimeter sizes. You're going to get the option of a 13 millimeter opening to fill in an average thin area, and also a 10 millimeter opening to fill in a much, much thinner area. In addition to that, in this course, you're going to have the option of also adding a 75% density for an average volume, or 100% density for your clients that want a thick volume of hair. How will you be placing your orders? Simple. You'll get a simple 7-step multiple choice order form that you just fill out, and you'll be able to email it to a special email called orders@InvisaBlend.com. And help is available at your fingertips. You can always text us anytime you want if you need help, or call us. Now, after that, what about lifetime support? You actually get lifetime support. That means at any time presently or anytime in the future, you could either text us your questions, text us pictures of your clients, or you can call us and schedule a video call. So help is always at your fingertips. How does the microstrand hold on or lock onto your client's hair? 2 parts. One is automatic hold, something revolutionary. Because the microstrand is soft, it'll actually mold to your client's head like another piece of skin. When you apply it and comb the hair through, then that makes it mold to the client's head like another piece of skin and provide automatic hold that holds it the majority of the way. Now, what holds it the rest of the way? Behind the microstrand, which you cannot see, are little comb blocks. Look, I'm pointing to it. A comb block is a little comb about as big as your pinky nail, paper thin and filled with hair, so no matter how much digging you do, you won't be able to see the comb block. The comb block locks it the rest of the way. So in summary, you apply it, comb the hair through, now it has automatic hold that's holding it the majority of the way, and the comb locks lock it in place, holding it the rest of the way. So what this means, you'll be able to apply this simply and quickly onto your client's hair, blending it through, and it'll last them a full month through swimming and shampooing and doing any activity. And then once a month, your client will come to you and you will actually detach it simply and reattach it all in one sitting. And because it's human hair, you could color the hair with it, color the hair without it, anything, and your client will have full-time hair.